Good afternoon, friends. Today in writing, Goliath and I would like to read you a story before we begin our lesson. Now, this is really an informational nonfiction book. That means it tells true information about the real world topic of spiders. Spiders by Laura Marsh. This is our title page, Spiders by Laura Marsh, the author. That means she wrote this true information. Here's our table of contents, friends, and I know you know what a table of contents is. It tells us where to look for special and specific information. So if we want to know one little detail about spiders, we can look down this list and we can go, ooh, spider food, that's what I want to know about. I think I should go to page 10. The table of contents directs us where to go to find specific information. It's a spider. What has 8 legs, fangs, and hair all over? Is it a monster? No, it's a spider. Some of us are afraid of creepy, crawly spiders, but most spiders can't hurt people. Friends, this says web word. It's an interesting word about spiders the author wants you to know. Fang. A biting mouth part of a spider or a large, sharp tooth in other animals. Spiders everywhere. Spiders live in deserts and rainforests. They live on mountains and plains. That means flat areas. They live on beaches and in caves. Spiders live almost anywhere. Goliath, can you name a place where spiders live? Oh, he said they live on beaches sometimes. Can you name a place too, friends? A spider's body. Spiders can be big or small. They can be brown or black and red, orange, green, or yellow. They may come in different colors, but all spiders have 8 legs and they have 2 main body parts, a head and an abdomen. Now, friend, say abdomen. Abdomen is here, your middle part. So on the spider, the abdomen is right here. As you notice, this illustration is labeled with special words. Here's abdomen with an arrow pointing to the abdomen. Head with an arrow pointing to the head. If you want to illustrate your informational writing, you can label the pictures you draw. Spider food. Ooh, this is a label that says spider. Look at this guy. All spiders are meat eaters. Most spiders eat insects. Some spiders eat bigger animals like fish, snakes, lizards, or even frogs. Sometimes spiders even eat each other. Spiders have fangs that hold venom. Venom kills the prey or keeps it from moving. Now, venom is poison, friends, and prey is an animal that is eaten by other animals. But spiders don't have teeth to chew their food. They suck liquids out of their prey. Yummy. Friends, what have you learned about spiders so far? What are you still wondering about spiders? Let's continue to read and see if you find out about what you're wondering. Senses. Most spiders have 8 eyes. They can't see very well, so they need more than their eyes to catch dinner. Small hairs on spider's leg sense movement. A spider feels an insect caught in its web. It's dinner time. Web builders. Different spiders make different webs. Orb webs have a circle pattern. Friends, you may notice that again, the photographs are labeled. This says orb web, so you know that this is a photograph of an orb web. Funnel web, tangle web, trapdoor spider's web. Funnel webs are built like tubes. Tangle webs, cobwebs, are a jungle of threads. Trapdoor spider webs cover a spider's home in the ground. Spinning silk. Not all spiders make webs, but all spiders make silk. They wrap their eggs in silk. They wrap their prey in silk too. Do you remember what prey is, friends? Yes, that's right. It's an animal that's eaten by another animal. Spiders even travel by silk. They use it like a rope. Spiders climb down to different places, or they let the wind carry them. A spider wrapping its prey in silk. Super spiders! Check out these really cool spiders from all over the world. Bullous spider. It catches its prey with sticky thread as if it's fishing. Goliath bird-eater tarantula. It's so big it can eat young birds, and it lives in South America. Black widow. It is the most poisonous spider in North America. It sometimes eats its mate. Its mate, that means its partner in life. The Brazilian wandering spider. It shows its red jaws when angry, and it lives in South and Central America. This says deadliest. So the Brazilian wandering spider, maybe one of the deadliest spiders out there. Best leaper, jumping spider. It stalks its prey. That means it quietly sneaks up behind its prey. It leaps huge distances to pounce on its lunch. Ooh. Darwin's bark spider is the best weaver. It makes the world's largest webs, as big as 2 city buses. So think about those Seattle Metro buses that you may have been on. A spider web that big would be amazing. Best mother, the wolf spider. She's a fierce predator, but a careful mother. She carries her babies on her back. Now, speaking of baby spiders, here we go. Baby spiders. Big or small, all spiders start out as eggs. A mother spider protects her eggs in an egg sac. Friends, look, another illustration with labels. Eggs. Egg sac. Some spiders may lay up to 2,000 eggs. She may keep the egg sac safe on a web, under a leaf, or in a log. She may carry her egg sac with her too. Here's a web word. This is a special word that the author would like you to remember. Egg sac, a silk pouch that protects and holds spider eggs. The spider eggs hatch. Baby spiders crawl out to meet the world. They are called spiderlings. Can you say spiderlings? Helpful spiders. Spiders are helpful to have around. Their silk is super strong. It's light and stretchy. People are finding new ways to use spider silk. Spiders also eat biting bugs, such as mosquitoes. Here's a picture, friends. A photograph of fabric made from spider silk. Let's hear it for spiders. Hooray! Friends, that's the end of our story today. But I am wondering if you can name 3 facts about spiders after hearing this book. What did you not know before we read this book? What do you still wonder about spiders? Let's think about that. I do have some wonderings. Friends, that's the end of our story today, but I would like to share with you what we're going to write about. Today you're going to start writing a nonfiction book about something you know a lot about. Remember, we knew a lot about those objects that we examined closely, like my blanket and Brian's lunchbox. Now you know a lot about spiders. Well, what else do you know a lot about? Let's think about it. I happen to know a lot about cats. So I have made my book by taking one piece of paper and folding it in half. Here is my title. Do you like that, Goliath? All About Cats by Miss Spring. I think Goliath likes it. Here's my page 1. This is my box for a special illustration that I'll label. Cats can live inside or outside. Look at that, friends. I've started my sentence with a capital letter. I've used finger spaces, and I've added a period at the end of my statement. Page 2. Cats can be trained to use a litter box. And page 3. Cats can look different from one another. So friends, as you can see, I've just wrote 3 facts. 1, 2, 3. Now tomorrow what we're going to talk about doing is adding detail, because I want you to know about this. Cats can be trained to use a litter box. Well, if you don't have a cat, you might not even know what a litter box is. So I have to add details about the litter box. And let me tell you, sometimes they can stink. So here you go, buddies. You can make a book just like this, or what do you think about this, Goliath? What do you think about that? Is that okay too? He says yes. You can just take a piece of paper and start right here. Cats can live inside or outside as your page 1. Remember, we're going to add details to these pages tomorrow, so leave room. Don't write everything today. Cats can be trained to use a litter box, and cats can look different from one another. I'm just going to fold those corners to start my book. So buddies, your job today is to think about something you know all about and prepare to write that book by getting your pages ready with 1, 2, 3 facts. I think you can do this. You're a bunch of fantastic writers, and I can't wait to see what you know all about. Thank you, and I'll see you soon. Bye.